The role of technology in green agriculture. Did you know agriculture contributes nearly a quarter of global greenhouse gas emissions? But technology is flipping the narrative. From precision tools to AI-driven farming, innovation is helping us grow food smarter, not harder, making farms greener and more efficient than ever before. Imagine drones tracking crop health or GPS steering tractors. Precision farming uses tools like these to minimize waste. By delivering resources like water, fertilizers, and pesticides exactly where they're needed, farmers reduce harm to the environment while maximizing harvest quality. Farms are turning to wind, solar, and bioenergy to power their operations cleanly and sustainably. Solar panels energizing water systems or wind turbines driving grain mills show how renewable energy is reducing farming's carbon footprint while saving costs. AI tools analyze soil health and predict pest outbreaks, while robots automate planting and harvesting. These innovations increase efficiency and cut emissions, ensuring healthy crops and environmentally friendly practices, even in the face of changing climates. Technology is shaping a sustainable future for agriculture, but we need your voice to amplify the call for greener practices. Share this message, support local sustainable farms, and advocate for tech-driven solutions. Together, we can nurture both the earth and our food supply.